Hello friends, welcome to this another session of our coaching. So we
Yeah,
have
hi.
already covered that incredible part previously. So having known your outcomes in a proper manner and to take it further, so we have to go through another process, that is coaching of power leaps. Power leaps are end game targets, meaning things you eventually want to accomplish. Most people give up possibilities of achieving these outcomes as they seem impossible. However, there is a way to make them appear easier and achievable. The outcomes plus system is brilliant. It makes our outcomes seem achievable by breaking them down into power leaps. Each
Okay.
each leap takes you to closer to the final outcome. To make this work, we have to start at the end and work backwards, because the human mind loves possibilities and charged up if the brain does something big and new. So now this is the process of going into the power leaps. Now you have
Okay.
already known. Now after coming into the conclusion of the outcomes, we have to put them through the challenges. So you need to identify the to challenges to be overcome for achieving your goals. Now,
Okay.
so you have to write down all the challenges that are likely to come in the way of your outcomes. So
Okay.
that you can plan in advance and you can get rid of all the problems. So there is another possibility of getting into end course. So having
Okay.
finalized your outcomes, so there again there may be some encores where you may feel like whether I will get the plot, like Lakshmana Ren, who is planning, whose outcome is to build a beautiful duplex. Now you may feel that whether I can arrange the finances, or if, can I locate the proper plot in the proper place, and all. There may be some negative codings likely to develop. So you
Okay.
need to convert them into e-course. So
Okay.
to be able to achieve your ultimate targets. So now,
Okay.
so after knowing the challenges, after knowing the end course and converting them into e-course, now we will take you into the further step, that is power leaps. So in power leaves, then you will break the total outcome into achievable targets, small targets, or some action. Power leaps are nothing but actionable steps where
Okay.
you can divide the entire outcome into 3, 4, or maximum 5 parts, so that each part can be broken into one part, and that can be achievable very easily. So that
Okay.
mind also accepts it. It's a small thing, it can be achieved.
Okay.
So for that, suppose for building a house, you need to break them into you have to break them into 5 small steps. So we call them all
Okay.
power leaps, like
Okay.
finding a plot, or finding the finance, or making a blueprint, and finding out the contractor, all those things. Like that, you can have 5 plans, and accordingly, so it can be easily achieved.
Okay.
So even after making the power lips also, you have to put them through the INCRED process.
Okay.
So for each thing, so that everything is through the process, and we will get more clarity on those things based on your baselines also. You need to take care of the baselines at each point of time. So
Okay.
now, so so that so you can meet your you can express your baselines, whatever the outcome may be. So
Okay.
now you can now prepare the
You are not visible, Mr.
power
TVR.
lips.
You are not visible, Mr. TVR.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
now it is the time for you to break that total outcome into 5 parts, that is 5 power leaps
Power leap.
for simplifying the thing and for getting easily achievable, whatever the target may be. So now
How
you
much
can
time
break
would
it into 5 parts and you can
No, is there an exercise like? Is there any exercise?
yeah, you have to break your main outcome into 5 parts.
Okay,
So you have to
how much
Okay.
time do you spend on this?
you can take each part. Which one?
How much time would it take for doing this
No,
exercise?
No, you can take half an hour to prepare the
No, is there any format?
prep-
Is there any format?
no, there is no such format as such, but you can plan according to the convenience. So you have to break that main outcome into 5 parts to make it easily achievable.
Yeah. So what
So
will
you think of you
have to
think
make 3 to 5 parts?
yeah. And yes, yes, you need to take it through a process called a refinement chart. Refinement chart. So that will tell you who is the person who will take care of the activity, start time, finish time, what are the resources required, and what are the challenges involved, and finally what is the outcome for that.
Okay.
So like there is a process that you need to follow the process. Now you can prepare your power leaps based on this format. I'll give half an hour time. I think will that be okay? Can you make it within half an hour?
Yes, you will try to.
Yeah. I mean, you are experienced in this. We'll be doing it.
Then okay, we'll meet after half an hour. Please come back with that your power leaps taken through the process called what is that refinement chart.
Okay. And
Okay.
we'll see
Okay. Right.
So,
after.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, welcome Mr. Alan, Abhishek and Mr. Amit. So I hope you have done your assignment. Can you
Yes.
share your assignment? Can you, Abhishek, can you share your assignment on that? Power lips?
Yeah. So I have been, because my uh, outcome is a very short term outcome. It is just 3 months. So I've been able to break it down into 3 power leaps. And
Okay.
the first power leap is finding a nutrition plan for me for having a proper diet for losing weight. So balancing the calories, understanding what is to be eaten, what is not to be eaten. This I'll be doing
Okay.
myself and taking the help of my known nutritionist friends starting tomorrow, and I'll complete this within a day or two so that I can follow the regime from probably a Wednesday. So I've given 2 days for this. So I'll be starting on the new diet regime from Wednesday.
Okay, very good. How do you feel about this system?
Yeah, it's really good. It has actually given me a very clear things. Basically, it has helped me go to the depth which I would not have gone without a system. So
So now
that's
you are
the-
confident.
Yeah, I am very confident. So my first power leap starts on probably 28th or rather 29th.
So when will you finish?
So 29th, if I start, so 3 months is what I have taken.
3 months.
So
Okay.
probably, if
Okay.
we consider it as 1st of May, it will be before 1st of August, I should be losing my weight.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. So now, what about Mr. Ellen? Can you share your power leaps?
Sir, I don't know, like, whatever you are giving as an example, like my power leaps could be finding out a plot, finding out a contractor or an architect. I mean, I could only break my power leaps like that only. I mean, I don't know how did you visualize that, but I could make out that as per your vision
Oh,
only.
so that is the system. Greatness of the system or process.
One thing is greatness of the system. Second thing is the experience of the coach. He would have built 1 or 2 houses for himself, so he knows the process.
That is true. That is true. I
Okay.
mean, like, I was surprised when I was writing. I was surprised, like, the coach TVR has said all these things, and I'm writing those things only. It has given me a clarity as to what should I do and what will be the start date and what will be the end date. And it has also
Okay.
brought out to the fore as to what could be the challenges that I'll be facing. So, but definitely the chart that you have given me, for some time I was feeling as if I was sitting in my house, new house. So
Oh,
I
great,
mean
great. That's
that
great.
is the thing that I felt actually.
Okay, it's really great,
So
and I'm very happy to know that the system worked for you as well.
Yeah,
So
Alan,
now,
when are you
yeah.
inaugurating? We are waiting
Abhishek,
for
you're
your
saying something.
housewarming.
yeah, when
Definitely,
so
I'll
what
be
is the time?
inviting you all people. Why?
So when
That,
can we come for?
so probably you would have identified the date of your final outcome. So what is the inaugural day? Tentative inaugural day.
Yeah, I mean, I have given the 31st December to be
So
the date of inauguration, but maybe
So
this
very
lockdown will be affecting me for 1.5 or 2 months.
okay.
okay, okay.
So Amit,
So by the January 31st, we can expect.
Mostly.
Okay, great, a great thing.
so
Then
Amit,
can you commit? Can you commit
Yeah,
completing your task?
yes, I
Commit
commit
yourself,
to
please.
finding out a plot by the end of commit for what?
Amit to
Commit for
your power leaps.
Yeah, that's what
achieving
I
your
mean.
power lips.
So for finding out the plot, I'll commit myself that I'll find out a plot by 15th of July.
15th of July.
15th of July.
Okay.
Okay, great, great.
Yeah,
So then, Abhishek, so can
Yeah.
you
Atik.
make a commitment on your power lips?
Yeah, so I am committing to start my new diet regime from 29th of April and to commit to achieve my weight loss goal by 1st of August.
Oh, yeah, really great.
That's great.
So hope you succeed in your mission. So whatever the power lips we have discussed, same can be analyzed with an example like a cake. So like a cake, we have in the case of baking a cake, there are certain processes involved. They are like our power leaves. Now starting with the ultimate base of the cake to be taken as the ultimate outcome. Then next to that is the crust of the cake that can be taken as baselines plus our e-codes after converting negatives into e-codes. Then the next step we have the first layer that can be compared with the challenges in this process in the power leaf. Then now we have the second layer of the cake which can be compared to our power leaves. So then we have the icing part of it in the cake, that is outcome achieved. So on the top of it, we have the ultimate success, that is happiness. So this is the process in the baking of a cake. In the same way, our outcomes also lead to this process. Having gone through all the processes, it will be like this only. I hope we can. There is a page number 86 on the same lines. So you can, based on the outcomes arrived through our power lips and all, you can fill up the same and bake a nicest possible cake in your life. So with this, I end this here. I look forward to the next session, that is Unleash You program. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you
Thank you.
for
Thank
all.
you.
Thank you.